Did you know that the oldest wooden structure in the world is a 7,000-year-old well discovered in Eastern Europe? Indeed, carpentry has deep roots in human history. Just like the sturdy, resilient trees from which it is born, carpentry is as ancient as civilization itself. Its inception can be traced back to the time when our ancestors first started to shape the world around them. The primal need for shelter and tools led to the birth of this craft, which has since evolved to become an art form in its own right. Delving into the annals of history, we discover that in the Neolithic period, people began to construct wooden structures, a testament to the early mastery of carpentry. As civilizations grew, so did the intricacies of this craft. From the magnificent Egyptian pyramids, which utilized large amounts of timber, to the intricate woodwork of the ancient Chinese dynasties, carpentry was there, shaping the course of human history. In the realm of carpentry, wood is the protagonist. From the flexible willow, the sturdy oak, the fragrant cedar, to the resilient teak, each type of wood sings a different tune. Its grain, texture, and natural color are like the verses of a poem, waiting to be read by the skilled hands of a carpenter. As time marched on, the tools and techniques of carpentry underwent a fascinating evolution. The earliest carpenters used stone tools, but with the advent of the Bronze and Iron Ages, more durable and efficient tools came into existence. Today, advanced machinery and computer-aided designs have revolutionized the way we work with wood, yet the essence of carpentry remains the same, transforming a raw, natural material into something useful, beautiful, and enduring. So, from the ancient times to the modern era, carpentry continues to be an integral part of our lives. It reminds us of the beautiful symbiosis between nature and human ingenuity, where a simple piece of wood, under the watchful eye and skillful hand of a carpenter, can turn into a masterpiece that stands the test of time. Carpentry isn't just about hammering nails into wood, it's a blend of art and science, of creativity and precision. Imagine the carpenter's workshop, a sacred space where raw materials are transformed into something functional, something beautiful. It's here that the art and science of carpentry come alive. The artistry of carpentry is clear in the elegant curves of a chair, the intricate designs of a cabinet, or the grandeur of a four-poster bed. Each piece is unique, a testament to the carpenter's vision and skill. But behind each of these creations lies a solid foundation of scientific principles and technical knowledge. Carpenters must understand the properties of different types of wood, how they behave under various conditions, and how they react to different treatments. They need to have a grasp of geometry to make accurate measurements and cuts, and physics to ensure their structures are sturdy and stable. Carpenters also need to be proficient in various construction techniques, from traditional methods like joinery and carving, to modern processes involving power tools and computer-aided design. They must be able to choose the right technique for the job and execute it with precision and care. But perhaps the most important aspect of carpentry is the creativity it requires. Each project is a problem to be solved, a puzzle to be pieced together, and it's the carpenter's creativity that allows them to envision the final product, to see beyond the raw materials and imagine what could be. Whether it's a stunning piece of furniture or a sturdy house, every product of carpentry is a testament to the carpenter's skill and creativity. And it's this blend of art and science, creativity and precision that makes carpentry such a fascinating and rewarding field. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, carpentry still holds a special place, but it also faces new challenges and opportunities. As we delve into the current trends, we see a profession that's constantly evolving, embracing the new while respecting the old. One of the most significant trends in carpentry today is the rise of eco-friendly practices. As awareness about our planet's health grows, more and more woodworkers are turning towards sustainable methods. This includes using responsibly sourced timber and minimizing waste through efficient design and production techniques. The role of a carpenter is no longer just about building and crafting, but also about stewardship of the environment. In the realm of tools and techniques, digital advancements are making a mark. Virtual reality is being used for training, while computer-aided design tools help in creating precise blueprints. Laser cutters and 3D printers are transforming the way intricate details are crafted. But as we welcome these innovations, we also realize that they can never replace the human touch, the artisan skill that makes each piece of carpentry unique. Yet, the industry is not without its challenges. A significant one is the shortage of skilled labor. Despite the appeal of the craft, fewer young people are entering the trade. The gap between the demand for skilled carpenters and the supply is widening. This calls for renewed efforts in promoting carpentry as a viable and rewarding career choice. Another challenge is the need for sustainable sourcing of materials. With deforestation being a global concern, it's crucial for the industry to ensure that the wood used does not contribute to environmental degradation. This requires a delicate balance between meeting the demand for quality wood and preserving our forests. Despite the challenges, carpentry continues to thrive and evolve, adapting to the changing times while staying true to its roots. As we move forward, it's exciting to think about the new directions this age-old craft will take. And as always, the beauty of carpentry lies in its ability to transform simple materials into objects of enduring beauty and function. For many, carpentry isn't just a profession, it's a passion. And with the rise of DIY culture, more and more people are discovering the joy of creating with their own hands. The surge in DIY carpentry is a testament to the innate human desire to build, to create, and to transform. It's the thrill of taking raw materials and turning them into something functional, something beautiful. A simple piece of lumber, in the hands of a passionate crafter, can become a sturdy table, a stylish bookshelf, or a beloved child's toy. And the benefits of DIY carpentry extend beyond the satisfaction of creating. There's a certain kind of empowerment that comes from being able to fix your own furniture or build your own shelves. It allows for a level of customization and personal touch that you just can't get from store-bought pieces. Plus, it can be a great way to save money. But how does one delve into the world of DIY carpentry? Well, it starts with a healthy dose of curiosity, a pinch of patience, and a hearty helping of perseverance. It's about not being afraid to make mistakes and learning from them when you do. Invest in a good set of tools, a sturdy hammer, a sharp saw, a reliable measuring tape. These are your allies in the crafting process. Don't forget about safety too. Always wear protective gear and make sure your work area is well lit and free from distractions. Knowledge is key. There are countless resources out there, books, online tutorials, community workshops that can help you hone your skills. Learn the basics, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to tackle more complex projects as you gain confidence. Remember, every master carpenter was once a beginner. Every intricate carving started as a simple sketch. Every sturdy structure was once just a pile of lumber. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, there's always something new to learn and create in the world of carpentry. From the oldest wooden structure to the latest DIY project, carpentry continues to shape our world in countless ways. It's an art, a science, and a testament to human ingenuity. From the earliest civilizations to the modern era, carpentry has been a constant companion, helping us build our homes, our tools, and our dreams. Today, as we navigate through the trends and challenges of the 21st century, carpentry remains a vital skill. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, the world of carpentry offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. So, let's cherish this age-old craft, let's learn from it, and let it inspire us. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of carpentry together, we can only imagine what the future holds. And on that note, if you've enjoyed this journey through the world of carpentry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can celebrate the beauty and importance of this age-old craft.